Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Epic account is linked to the platform you play on. This prevents purchase errors. Once done, check your V-Bucks balance. Electric Hands typically costs around 800 V-Bucks, and top up if needed. Next, launch Fortnite and go straight to the Item Shop tab to see current cosmetic offerings. Make sure you're in the correct region and logged in with the account that will receive the item. These steps stop common issues before you begin the buy flow. You then find Electric Hands in the item shop. Use the search bar or browse featured and daily sections because it rotates frequently. Once you spot it, preview the pickaxe to confirm you like the swing and visual effects since refunds are limited. After previewing, select buy and follow the on-screen payment prompts. Make sure the correct payment method and account are chosen. When the transaction completes, the item grants instantly to your locker. If bundled, double-check included items so you know what. Finally, open your locker and equip Electric Hands into the pickaxe slot to confirm it's usable in match play. You can also equip associated wraps or emotes for set cohesion. If the item doesn't show right away, fully close Fortnite and restart the client or reconnect your internet. That refresh often resolves sync delays. If issues persist, gather your transaction receipt and contact Epic support with the purchase ID so they can restore the item. Keep calm, most missing items are fixable with a quick support ticket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.